my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I want to show you why my Android device does have dynamic island. So if you want it in your Android device, follow my video instruction and open the Play Store and type this in your Play Store. So once you install this application to your Android device, you will get this page and wait a few minutes. Then you will choose the language and click on apply. And now we're gonna skip this part, click on allow. Now we go click over here, I understand. Now we enable all of these options we got here in our Android device. So let me do it one by one here in my video. Here we can see our Android device is ready and we can test it. We'll open up the YouTube, or first of all I'm going to try on Spotify. Let me play the music and I'm going to exit. You can see it's playing very good and nice. I really love it. So this is all about how to get dynamic island in your Android device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.